This is room 10245. It's a room designed for 3 people. And you'll see there's like 2 nightstands there with 2 lamps on it, 2 twin beds, and there's a bunk bed with a ladder. And there's no place by the bed to plug in your phone to charge it. Turning around, here's your TV, and then here's your refrigerator down here. Turning to the left, over here is your like makeup table or desk, whatever you want to call it. And it comes with 1 European plug, 2 American plugs, 2 plugs to plug in your phone, USBs. And there's a little seat for you to sit on. And then over here is your bathroom. And remember, there's a step right there, so be careful when you walk into the bathroom. Here's your light controls for the bathroom. Here's your thermostat for your room. The bathroom is typical Carnival. Got a shower curtain, soaps. There's your toilet. There's your towels. There's shelves on that side of the mirror. And there's also shelves on this side of the mirror. So, like I said, typical Carnival bathroom. Across from the bathroom are where your closets are located. You got this one here with the shelves, and there's a safe. And then down below are three drawers. The closet to the right has a place to hang your clothes. And down below you can throw your shoes or your suitcase, whatever you want to store in there. And then there's your doorway. And turning around, one last look at the room. And it should easily accommodate 3 people with no problem.